sailboats. Now we just have to figure out where to park.
In the water. Just kidding.
Yeah, there should be. Yeah, so that restaurant down there, we literally like docked right there.
Yeah.
And then walked to the restaurant.
Uh-oh, bikers.
Bikers. They look like. Ah, now that house looks dope.
It does. I bet that one is hurricane enforced.
Yeah, right
Nothing's
beside a
happening
nice
to that
restaurant.
one. Yep.
Get that!
Johnny versus
Everyone
Pierre.
is going to the beach. Dang, yeah, don't want to go that way.
Yeah, that's to the pier.
Ugh, ugh.
Look at
everyone.
that dude.
Oh my gosh, he said he's getting in. He's getting in, bro. He's already in.
Man, that's Florida for you. Florida people.
Uh-oh.
Disregard. Abort.
That was close. So, there's a lot of tourists at the beach right now. And it's like, well, here section. See how everyone was going that way? We're going this way.
Yeah,
There's not that many people.
Number 2.
and this is where the sailboats live.
Yeah.
Look at all them sailboats.
Look at all those.
I
Oh,
want a
wow.
sailboat.
That one is so pretty.
Like that one right there?
Hashtag goals.
Yeah, dude, I want. No, and it comes with that little boat.
Wow.
We gotta buy a sailboat.
One day.
We're gonna get one.
So we're going all the way down there, past all
on the
of
other side.
that.
We're
It's
passing.
like a little island.
I gotta get over soon anyways,
Wow. Which axis is this one? It's really pretty. Orlando's asleep. I promise you'll have enough time to dig at the beach. Come on, let's go. You're totally fine. Sebastian. It's a long walk, honeys. It's extremely windy out here. Ow. Those waves out there look tough. Look at that.
Sunday.
I am. Here it is, right there.
That looks beautiful.
It does. I like it. One day.
Orlando, he's having a hard time. Sebastian, how's your cake pop?
I think he's upset because we are not losing.
No, I think he's ready to eat. So we went to Crumble Cookie, and look at that. So we're stopping for a second.
Can't take a picture of you. I had to take a video because you don't sit still anymore. You move like a crazy pants. Yeah. Yeah. You move like a crazy pants. You don't sit still anymore. My goodness. What eyelashes are those? Why are they so big? They're such a big eyelashes. Look at eyelashes that long. Oh my goodness. Ooh.
Good morning. Good morning, handsome. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, handsome. I can't believe how big you've gotten. You've gotten so big. Good morning. Good morning, handsome. Orlando, what happened? Do I look strange now? You're so happy. You're like, mama, mama. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Mama, mama. Good morning. It's the morning time. Are you ready to get up? Mr. Man. I want some milk. It's milk time. Cutie pie. You're so big. You're a big boy now. Are you still a newborn? You my baby. You my baby.
Oh, look at that look. Look at that look. Are you confused? I see your little toes. Are you hungry? Are you a hungry baby? Who's my hungry baby? Who's my hungry baby? Who's my hungry baby? Who's my hungry baby? Are you my hungry baby? Are you my hungry baby? Are you my hungry baby? Yes? Are you hungry? Yes, you are. It's been a long morning. Why was that? Yeah, you're upset. I left you all night. You slept the whole night, Mr. Man. You're wild. Those toesies are cold too. Those are some cold feet. They're so cold. They're cold. Yes, sir. They're cold. What's going on? Say, what's going on, Mom? What took you so long to get here? Whose chin is that? Who gave you that chin? You don't know. You don't know. You don't know who gave you that chin? What about that dimple? That dimple on your cheek. Who gave you that? You don't know that either? You don't know? No. Oh, hiccups again. You want to show everyone how he sleepies? This is the sofa. This is Orlando's crib. I've had him for like a minute now. The sun is rising. The rainbow is showing. The camera's not doing justice. Yeah, you're right. There's a rainbow over there with the window. What? No, how come it's not showing it? I wish I could show it to the naked eye. And there's Sebastian, literally falling in the crack of the ottoman. So, yeah. Is it gonna show this situation? Nope. Ooh, but it is gonna show me. Oh my god. This is what I look like at 6:42 in the morning. Curly hair, man. Hashtag relatable. You have the hiccups again. Again? Oh my goodness. So early. It's so early for you to have the hiccups. It's so early for you to have the... Oh, I hear you. Good job. Good job. Look, you don't even have a tummy time pillow and you're doing so good. Awesome, honeys. Good job. Super good. No, he's a strong little man. Strong little man. Use his little feet. Okay, see? Oh, he's using all his little force. He's got it. Hot mess. That's why I do not switch the camera to my face. But I'm so proud of him. He's doing so good. He's doing amazing for a little tiny, almost 3-month-old. What? These are the toes I'm talking about. Like, look at how he moves his little feet. Oh, yeah, I see you moving them. I see you, honeys. See you moving those little toes. Like, look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, you're gonna be crawling. Oh wow, that's the biggest lift. That's the biggest lift I've seen. You got it. Yeah. Oh, that fist must be really yummy. That's the motivator right there. So cute. The motivator. Crazy? Is that some crazy stuff? Was that some crazy stuff Mommy's got you doing? You're like, Mama, why? Why? I'm only 2 months. You forget that. I know, honeys, but you're just so cute. You got it. And you're so strong and you don't even cry. What is it, not a struggle? I've never had this where the baby is upset because they're on their back. Actually, I have. But you want me to put you on your tummy? Okay. Let's see.
Look, honey.
Look! You got it! You want me to get your book so I can put him over here as a motivator? Oh, man.
What do Miley's A's and A? What do X?
That's how you do it at school?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, so can you tell me in the word name right here, which vowels?
I'm going to do this again.
Oh, okay.